grinding on this. I got that inclusion ground out. It's looking good. I have also ground around the perimeter of the pommel, and it is looking fantastic. I think it's now time to switch to files, specifically for this back area of the pommel. I need to get into that right-hand side there and carve that contour all the way around. I also need to make sure that I make a little bit of room for finishing out this fluting, so that's going to be a lot of fine detail work. I'm going to start with this right here.
Just for reference, really big. Hey there, I just wanted to give a quick review on this TOPVISION projector. So for 99 bucks, it's not bad. I had another projector I bought that was also 99 bucks, and honestly this one is much better. The colors come in pretty clear, and one of the best features that I really like is so you can just plug it into your phone like this, and then push play, and it just mirrors it. So the camera I'm using right now to record this is very low quality, so I'm sorry you can't really look at the picture, but yeah, it's not bad. I think for the price, I feel it's a fair value for the price, so I'm giving it 5 stars. So hope you enjoy.
Please don't take my children! How have you been feeling? Have you been sleeping any better? Rough. Then again, I never slept well before. I was condition. That's called pregnancy. It's okay to say it out loud. Something's happening. Can you just please try? Did you see something? Come inside!
Whoa, fishes! Can you get Pikachu out of the ocean? You touch the fishies?